Tamara's Lunchbox Monday edition. I took a little Friday break last week, but that's okay. We'll go over the weekend as we start eating. Let's see what we have. Oh, and y'all liked that taco video, the steak tacos I had last week? I was like, good grief, all the not comment, but the views. And I just went right past that, didn't I? Oops. You know I have it. So, did you have a good weekend? Mine was pretty good. I was just very tired Friday. It's very tired. I get run down by the end of the week. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but I just get really run down. Whether I sleep great or I don't, I get run down. So it's kind of odd, but that's okay. We're gonna get through it. Okay. I've got some lettuce and cheese here. I've got tomatoes, croutons, and some chicken. So we're gonna have a chicken salad today. And the lettuce is the romaine pack or something like that. So it's got carrots, cabbage. It's just carrots and cabbage in there with it. And for today, we have Thousand Island dressing. Let me stir this up some. Then I'll put my dressing on it. All right. Now, let's add some good old Thousand Island. And y'all know this is Ken's Steakhouse Thousand Island. Love it. Love, love, love it. Especially that chicken. It has a real good flavor. Yeah, I don't know what made me look. I went out there for something and it popped up and it's got 30-some views, 40 views, something like that. I was like, whoa! And we got new subscribers. So thank you for being here. Hope you'll stick around. Okay. Let's get that out of my way. Okay. So here's what it looks like all mixed together. Get my fork out of the way. Yum! Okay. So Saturday, we had to go to a baby shower. It wasn't a very big crowd. I thought it was going to be more than that, but it wasn't. But it was nice. We're having a little girl. So, and they had a little ladybug theme. I thought that was cute. A red and black. We had some food and some games to play, and she opened up all her gifts. Well, I haven't been to a baby shower. I guess theirs was probably the last one. For their little boy. I don't think I've been to another one. I don't think so. And if I have, I've completely missed somebody, but I don't think I have. Anyway. But they played games. And I had not been to one that they played the games at. I've been to the gender reveals. Yeah, done all that. But nobody ever played in games. Well, the first one was a game that you're blindfolded and you have a box and you have a big spoon, like a serving spoon, a big spoon. And there's cotton balls on the table. So you scoop and put in your box. Scoop and put in your box. So that was a pretty neat one. And then they had one for you to you had to be blindfolded again, and you diapered a stuffed animal. Oh, let me go back. Because if you've never seen these games or heard these games, you don't know what I'm talking about. The cotton ball game, it was, you were timed for 30 seconds. And whoever got the most cotton balls in the box is who won. So that's how they did that one. So the diaper, making the diaper on the stuffed animal, you were timed also, and it's whoever had the lowest time fully diapered. You know, the diaper can't be on the bear's head. It doesn't count. So they handed out diapers and everything. So you just took your diaper up to the table when you were ready. What is your turn? So I showed Brian how a diaper works. Because I didn't want him to get up there and get confused because you're already blindfolded. Well, this other couple went before us, and they have kids. Smaller kids than what we have. And he had his diaper backwards. It'll work, but it may not work for long. So we got up there. I won our round. I had one girl that went first. I think she was one of the first ones that went. They deducted her forget what she did now. They deducted some seconds off of her for that. I forget what it was. But anyway. So, mine was 17 seconds. So, hey, not bad. I haven't changed a diaper. 14 years. So, not bad. That muscle memory. But yeah, 17 seconds wasn't bad. To be blindfolded and everything, I figured I would have been more than that. Especially since I just hadn't done it. I mean, yeah. It's not like I have everyday practice. But anyway, so everybody goes and that wanted to do it. They said me and this other lady tied. So we had to do it again. So she went back to the same spot at the table that she done her first one at, which is the same spot I did mine. So I just moved over to where Brian was. That was a different stuffed animal. Same body shape. I mean, you know, they sat up and all that stuff. But one was a bear. And one was an elephant, I think. But their body shape was the same. So it made it pretty even. Well, I thought, okay, well, that's pretty cool, because now I get to try the elephant. Because I'd done the bear. After we got blindfolded, they switched it, which I didn't have any idea. I just knew there was an animal, because I was making sure I was feeling where the animal was, where my diaper was, all that. So I get the diaper, I open up the back, get the bear, or the elephant, what I think is the elephant, put it down, get it between its legs, wrap it up, and sit it back up. I think her name was Danielle, I don't know. But they kept saying, "You're getting smoked, Danielle, you're getting smoked." And I thought, am I that much ahead of her? So then they said that I had won. And I was like, okay. So I get my blindfold off, and I got the bear. And I thought, I started off with the elephant. And I said something to Brian when I got back to our table. Brian was like, yeah, they switched it. I was like, oh, okay. Whatever. So I got a Target gift card. Not bad. But yeah, I wouldn't have thought, there's something on my chicken. I wouldn't have thought that I would have won that. Like I said, since I haven't changed diapers in a long time. I figured I'd been out of practice. That was a cute little game. Something fun to do, you know. It's real fun when you can get everybody to participate. Sometimes you go to parties or get-togethers and half the crowd don't want to participate. So it makes it more fun for everybody. And she got a lot of cute clothes. I told Brian, I said, little girl clothes is cute. And a lot of stuff coming from those boutique places and stuff. So, it was cute. Stuff you'd never seen before. And then after that, we went to our Japanese location restaurant. And that took about an hour and a half. Because I'm pretty sure we got there about 5:30. They sat us down pretty quick, but we kept sitting. And finally she brought the soup. And she just took everybody's order, which I was glad of. I don't take my drink order and then have to come back and get my food order. Just put it all in one thing. It's just quicker. I'll probably have that tomorrow for lunch. That'll be pretty tasty. Oh, and it's 30 days today until my surgery. I'm making me a plan. That's what I'm reading on it. Is they want you up and walking the next day. For about 5 minutes. And doing that for the first week. And then every week after that, you're adding 5 minutes till you get your 6th week. And it wants you walking 30 minutes by 6 weeks. So I made me a little calendar to help me stay on track with that. Because I can see that being a little bit of a problem. So, especially until I can get back in the gym. So, I thought, well, the best thing I can do is get me a little plan together, and then that way that'll help me stay on track and where I'm supposed to be at what week, what day, you know, all that kind of stuff. It'll help me a little bit. But yeah, 30 days from today and I'll be cancer free. Can't beat it. All right, y'all, I hope you have a good rest of your Monday, and guess I will see you tomorrow. tomorrow, I think I'll bring my Japanese. We're having cube steak tonight for supper, so depending on how good that is, I might. I don't know. So it's gonna be a toss-up. You'll have to tune back in and see. All right, y'all have a good rest of your day, and may the peace of the Lord be with you until I see you again, and take care. Bye.